Hey guys, it's Mike, your head of marketing at Heartbeat, and in this weekly update, I want to let you know about the new events ticketing update that is rolling out to everybody. I want to show you a cool feature that I kind of stumbled upon that I love as a marketer because it drives more members into your community. I want to let you know about some amazing events we have coming up in the Hearth. All of this is coming up. Let's get right into it. All right, so thank you to everybody who signed up for the beta of the new events ticketing update, our newest feature for events in Heartbeat. We appreciate the feedback that you guys gave us. We made a whole bunch of those quick little tweaks, and we are now confidently rolling out the events ticketing update to everyone. If you didn't see my last newsletter where I walked through ways that this is different, I'm not going to cover all of it today, but I am going to give you a quick little coverage and show you this sweet way you can use it to drive new membership into your community. So let's jump real quick into mine. This is the gym. This is my community. It is a real community. People actually pay to be here. And this is an event that we have coming up later this week, actually. And what I want to show you is when you are creating events, this is what the new event creation screen looks like. This is actually what your pane will look like. You'll have a preview screen of what it looks like for members. You'll have an event detail screen, which shows you the number of people you invited, the number of people that have registered to attend it. And you can send out an email blast here to people, different groups, everyone who's RSVP'd, which is super awesome. If I clicked on this, I can click send the blast to people who've confirmed, people who've declined, people who are invited but have not yet RSVP'd, and write the message right in here with some rich text formatting. Really awesome marketing to drive attendance to events if you're using event-based lead generation to bring people into your event, or if you just want to make sure that members who are maybe a little bit less engaged come back around. But speaking of lead gen, because I do love that as a marketer, let me pop over to the event editing screen. So this is what it looks like when you're creating an event, and this is my actual event setup. This is what I have built for my event. I'm inviting all of these different groups in my community to this event. It is a community only. It is not a public event. But let's say I wanted to change that. Let's say I decided, okay, this is a chance for me to have non-community members get a taste of what we do and become members. If you guys are running events, and many communities do, not all, but many do, consider having every now and then some of your events be open. These are public events where the general public, which you see got added right down here on the side, can attend your event. This is a great way for them to kind of get to know the vibe of your community and determine if they want to subscribe and be a member. You could also, in theory, add ticketing settings for this, where they have to pay. You could do that as a direct money maker, and then maybe they are free or discounted for current subscribers. Could be really cool. Many ways to use it. But this is the setting I want to show you about. Let's say you're running a general public event, right? Let's go down to this email invitations panel in the bottom right. This should be generally familiar. This is the same kind of settings that we had before in that kind of walkthrough flow in the older way we did events. But in this new one, you can go under advanced email settings and fold this caret down. And I want to zoom in on this because you can choose who should receive event invitation emails. This is where you can actually dial this in, make it work for you. But you can also use it to drive new members into your community. Look at this one setting. Right in here, there are members with event access, members who can purchase a ticket, or members who can unlock access via an upsell. Think about this. Let's say you have more than one tier in your community. Many, many, many communities do. I do. I have a free, paid, and then a higher tier of paid. Let's say I want to have this event be a thing for people who only are normally in the highest tier, a special event for them. I can also invite people who don't have access to this event yet, but they'll see the upsell when they view the event. This is naturally a way you can use lead gen to take members from one tier to a higher tier in your community. So if you combine this with the ability of open events, your open events can bring in members that bring in new members to your community at a basic tier or bring awareness to your community, and then stack it with then, when they are in at that lower level, welcoming people in with an upsell, then you can drive them into higher levels of subscription. This is an isolated way to create an event-based growth engine for your community business. Open events bring new eyes in, lower tiers get early commitment. This invite people who can unlock access via an upsell can drive them to the higher tiers. So now you could have a low commitment tier, and then you can invite them as a soft pitch prompt that markets them up to the higher tiers. This is a fully baked in inside of Heartbeat, you don't need external tools kind of system that you can use to acquire members and increase the amount of investment that they're making with you in your community. So speaking of events, inside the Hearth, we have amazing tutorials, as you know, and the next one coming up is about affiliates and how you can use them to grow your community. In the Hearth, affiliates made ridiculously easy. This is a tutorial by our co-host Laura Sprinkle, and we are going to talk about how to create an affiliate program that gets others marketing your community for you. This is another way to grow your community, to build membership. And so what you're going to walk away with if you attend this session is how to, with your first or next affiliate campaign fully mapped out and already start growing with affiliate partners. You're going to be ready with a turnkey affiliate marketing solution. Stack this with event-based growth, and you're going to have 2 powerhouse channels to grow your community businesses. To learn about the affiliates, join us Wednesday, August 6th. It is at 1 p.m. Eastern Time, and it's for any community builders on Heartbeat. We're going to go over the Heartbeat affiliate program and best practices about affiliate marketing in general, just so you know you're getting the most return on all the effort that you put into building this program and the goodwill that you're investing with the champions who will help you grow your community. Now, Laura is an affiliate partnership strategist who specializes in working with digital course and membership creators. She's worked everyone from budding entrepreneurs to 7-figure leaders. She's helped more than $44 million in affiliate revenue be grown and acquired by these clients that she's worked with. This is an expert. She's been behind some of the biggest launches in our industry. Clients like Amy Porterfield, Todd Herman, Kate Northrup, Terry Ajoma, and Selena Sue, all of these major folks, and she's been featured in Forbes and all these different articles, publications. This is someone you want to listen to. So if you are not yet using affiliate marketing, or you're using it and you're not getting quite the results that you want, or you think you could just do a little bit better, join us for the tutorial on Wednesday, August 6th at 1 p.m. Eastern. There are 74 folks already RSVP'd to this, and grab your seat. Let's get in here. Let's learn some things. Get your questions asked and answered. I'll be there. I hope you are there too. And of course, as a reminder, if you haven't yet gotten a trial on Heartbeat, or if you're in a trial and you want to get some questions answered, or if you just want to make sure that maybe you're turning over all the stones and actually making sure you're using the platform to its fullest, check out our live walkthroughs. We do a live walkthrough Q&A every Tuesday, almost every Tuesday. The next one is coming up on August 5th at 1 p.m. Eastern Time. This is where you can learn about all of Heartbeat's core features, and yeah, we keep adding new ones like this event rollout that's happening to everybody. You can see the best practices that the top community builders are using. We pull that data, we summarize it, we're going to teach you about how to use those features to the max, and we're going to answer any questions that you bring to that session. RSVP through the email, really worth attending. I highly recommend them. All right, and that is everything that I have for you guys in this weekly update. As always, I'm Mike, head of marketing and growth at Heartbeat, and I will see you guys next time.